The DYNESTIC 7535 and NEXTEC 7735 series from Holzher are dynamic machining centers for complete panel processing using the nesting process. As well as for perfect miter cuts and angles. Their enormous flexibility also makes these machining centers ideal for universal processing of solid wood, doors, furniture components, engraving, and much more. The DYNESTIC 7535 and NEXTEC 7735 series with their 1,560mm or 2,200mm deep machine table are also ideal for large format panels and workpieces. Available processing lengths of 3,100mm, 3,700mm, 4,600mm, and 6,250mm also allow adaptation to highly varying panel dimensions as well as composite and special materials. Enormous versatility is also a feature of the various equipment versions, allowing this CNC series to be adapted to any desired operating mode. The Classic version offers a space-saving and versatile standalone version for the entire spectrum of CNC machining. On the Push version, a height-controlled pusher serves simultaneously for cleaning the nested workpieces and automatic transport of the workpieces to the discharge table with its cycled conveyor belt. This means the machine table is immediately available for processing the next panel. Equipped for maximum productivity and flexibility, the automatic versions offer perfect integration into the Holzher StoreMaster panel storage and handling system. This equipment version is ideal for high throughput of highly varying types of panels and lot sizes of 1. Naturally, complete production cells can be implemented with automatic workpiece labeling in combination with Holzher pressure beam saws. The lift versions are perfect for machining entire stacks of panels with extremely high panel throughput. The lift table is available with the same capacity as the machine for panels with lengths of up to 6.25 meters. It is positioned hydraulically for pulling the panels onto the machine table. The panel material is simultaneously pulled in and aligned with the stop fence. After the panel is drilled and formatted, the workpieces are vacuumed off again, if required, and pushed off fully automatically. Simultaneously, the next panel is positioned on the machine table. This results in an efficient workflow with the highest possible productivity. The DYNESTIC 7535 and NEXTEC 7735 are the all-rounders amongst the CNC machining centers, suitable for derived timber products as well as composite and synthetic materials. With the nesting process, panel-shaped materials are cut and processed with optimized cutting. This allows all required holes and pockets for shelves and connectors to be completed with only one clamping operation, as well as perfect workpiece formatting with CNC accuracy. Naturally, the Holzher software includes processing programs for all common connection technologies, which can be called as so-called macro routines. The software supplied knows the special connectors for nesting technology, such as Cabaneo connectors, and positions them appropriately on the workpieces. The advantage here, in addition to simple and quick assembly, is also the easy transportability of unassembled cabinets without the danger of damage. Naturally, conventional dowel connections can also be completed quickly. The horizontal holes for dowels and minifix can be completed in a second pass with the workpieces positioned on specially developed suction cups. Nor do horizontal pockets, groove connections, and other milling work pose a problem. In the same manner, you can use the possibility of clearing pockets between the workpieces and complete the horizontal holes with the optional low-level attachment, thanks to the C-axis present in the machining head. It is also possible to turn it infinitely to any angle for machining. The patent-pending Clamex milling tool allows all milled pockets required for the Lamello piece system to be machined on the edges of the work in one single clamping operation. The intelligent DYNESTIC freeform software positions the workpieces next to one another in such a manner that it is possible to machine the pockets for two workpieces simultaneously in just a very few seconds, while simultaneously minimizing material consumption. The Clamex macro integrated into the software allows the connector pockets to be cut in the surface either with a pin mill or a special angle gear. The result? Perfect, stable, and separable connections for high-quality custom furniture. The label printing module provides important information for further processing and assembly of the parts. The labels can include the commission, the part designation, the processing programs for edging, barcodes for identification, and, naturally, your company's logo. Holzher offers a number of solutions for creating labels. The Easy Label printer prints out adhesive labels for all parts nested on a panel. The optional 2D sealing laser or standard line laser in the NEXTEC series shows the operator the exact position for the label, preventing mix-ups. The convenient touch label system shows the operator the position and designation of the parts. Just touch the monitor to create and print out the right label for each part. The fully automatic direct label system integrated into the machine offers maximum convenience. Here, the labels are automatically attached to the correct position on the panel before CNC machining. The full interpolating 5-axis head also allows connectors to be used on mitered joints. Complex counters, high-quality furniture with mitered joints, and precision-fit interior fittings with invisible connectors and continuous veneer pattern are easy to produce. With the Holzher's optional Cabinet Control Pro software, it is quick and easy to plan and realize complete room solutions. Built-in kitchens as well as cabinets to fit below pitched roofs. This allows you to plan custom solutions for your customers and implement them at the touch of a button on a CNC machine. The capability of using the machining head precisely and variably at virtually any angle drastically reduces the required number of milling tools and tool changes. The same cutter used for formatting the workpiece precisely can also be used for chamfering and carving pockets. The machining center also carves pockets at right angles without a special angle gear. The current version 7 of our state-of-the-art campus programming system allows quick and simple creation of your own machining macros and integration into your machining programs, opening up a wide range of new fields of application and markets, as shown here for packaging technology. With the optional 2D sealing laser, the positions of the suction cups, developed especially for the grid table, are shown perfectly right on the table. Rotated suction cup positions are also taken into consideration. This allows the suction cups to be quickly positioned manually with extreme variability. The display on the manual control unit changes from the suction cup positions to the contour of the finished workpiece. Cutouts and pockets can also be taken into consideration by the laser projector. This makes it easy to determine the ideal position for the workpiece on the suction cups, allowing the grain pattern or blemishes in the wood to be given due consideration. The standard projection laser is single color with red light. A 3-color red, yellow, green version is also available. The variable suction cups for the Holzher grid table offer a perfect hold for machining solid wood. The suction cup height of 100 mm also allows horizontal machining of workpieces for mortise and tenon joints, grooves, and much more. The classic versions of the DYNESTIC 7535 and NEXTEC 7735 are equipped with a front stop fence for aligning door leaves and other right-angle workpieces. Here again, the pivoting 5-axis head demonstrates its flexibility and power for machining lock pockets, chamfering and grooving, as well as light cutouts. A front stop can be ordered as an additional option on the automatic versions. Miter and complex cuts can also be programmed easily thanks to the Campus Machine software. The high power of the milling spindles and the extremely stable design of the gantry stand are realized fully when machining solid wood panels. Saw blades with diameters of up to 350 mm can be changed using a special saw blade tool location. The optional Hops for Solid module allows import of 3D models and assignment of corresponding tools for machining on Holzher CNC machines. This allows reliefs or components for mold construction to be produced exactly for milling in 3-axis or 3+2-axis modules. A further interesting application is light reflex engraving with the pick-to-plate software available as an accessory. For this purpose, simple digital images are read in and the colors are automatically converted to milling depths. This results in fascinating images with a 3D effect for versatile use in store construction as well as for private objects. Holzher also offers a free selection of tool changers. The pickup changer for 14 tools, already included as a standard feature, can be upgraded for up to 29 tool locations. A moving plate changer, ideal for pendular processing, is also available. The NEXTEC 7735 series from Holzher offers even more high-tech and operating convenience. As on all Holzher machining centers, the LED machine logo indicates the machine's operating status. Our Cabinet Select software is the heart of our NEXTEC CNC. From a database of over 300 furniture templates, you can select your desired piece of furniture and adapt it to your custom dimensions, as well as select the quantity and material and the connection hardware. Simply move the piece of furniture required to your shopping cart and complete your customer order, such as here, a complete kitchenette. Just click on the production button to start creating all CNC machining programs and the parts and materials list, as well as fully automatic nesting of the parts using the Holzher Better Nest software. And the great thing, You and your employees don't even have to open the software modules for processing. The intelligent NEXTEC software takes care of everything for you. Naturally, you can expand your database to include your own designs at any time with the Cabinet Control Base module, also included as a standard feature. With the NEXTEC, you can create custom furniture just as individualistic as your customers. The calculated machining times and work progress for all drilling and formatting operations are listed and displayed for each panel. This built-in intelligence turns your shop into a smart workshop. It facilitates your work preparation and planning extremely. Moreover, it provides important data for preliminary and follow-up calculations. The integrated process simulation and BetterSim 3D cutting simulation, available as an upgrade, provide additional convenience. The NEXTEC offers Industry 4.0 today. Do you need one single quick cut through a workpiece? The Direct Cut software's Single Cut feature saves you a trip to the formatting saw. The laser shows you where to cut. Has a part been damaged during assembly? Is a baseboard missing at the construction site? Or do you need a couple of additional shelves? With the Direct Cut module with linear laser display, only a few mouse clicks are required to turn your remnants into valuable furniture components. At the touch of a button, the linear laser shows you the exact course of the cutting lines, allowing you to avoid wood blemishes or damaged spots in the finished parts. Naturally, the NEXTEC also features the versatile Campus software package for freely programming workpieces, for 3D simulation, and as an import filter for DXF files. The Teach-In feature, integrated into the Direct Cut software, makes proper positioning of even free-form parts and grained workpieces easy as pie. Simply move the guide laser along the edge of the panel. Teach in the position using the handheld unit and start the CNC program. Finished. The intelligent vacuum field control on the NEXTEC automatically optimizes the vacuum area required for the specific panel size, thus saving valuable energy in combination with the software-controlled EcoVac system for the vacuum pump. With the DYNESTIC 7735 and NEXTEC 7735 series from Holzher, you increase the performance, flexibility, and precision in your shop. Contact your Holzher dealer for a convincing product demonstration.